ART1000 is an attachment containing Simex patented technology designed for the restoration of deteriorated road surfaces through a cold regeneration process of the bituminous material without adding any aggregate. The ART1000 combines asphalt milling with particle size reduction and mixing of rejuvenators. The attachment consists of two drums, the first for milling and mixing, and the second for crushing and desegregation. It also features an integrated 100-litre tank containing the rejuvenator that is sprayed during the milling phase in a dosage proportional to the speed of the carrier and the set working depth. The ART1000 is designed to repair road surface distress quickly and effectively without disrupting traffic flow. Recover and regenerate 100% of the existing materials with a circular and sustainable perspective on road repair, with the aim of reducing the costs associated with the purchasing and handling of new asphalt mixes. For more information, please visit the Simex website, and for all UK inquiries, please contact the attachment company at attachmentco.co.uk.